Hello students, welcome to MJC Learning. Today we'll be starting with chapter 3 of Organization of Commerce and Management, that is Entrepreneurship Development. So let's begin. The learning points for today's chapter is Introduction, Concept and Definition and Characteristics of an Entrepreneur. Let's see the introduction part of entrepreneur. Entrepreneurs play a very important role in the development of any country. They are the backbone of a nation's progress. They are the innovators, owners, producers, and moreover the risk takers. So we can say that the entrepreneur is a person who makes money or profit by starting a particular business, completing various activities and bearing financial risk. Next, introduction to entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurship is often used synonymously with entrepreneur. Though they are the two sides of a coin, conceptually they are different. The entrepreneur is a business leader and entrepreneurship is the function performed by him. It's the capacity and willingness to develop, organize and manage business and an ability to bear risk. When we talk about entrepreneurship in economics, it forms to be a most important factor of production out of the four, that is land, labor, capital and entrepreneur. It maintains a relation between all to produce profits. Next is the concept and definition of entrepreneur. The concept of entrepreneur differs from industry to industry, country to country, as well as from time to time and the level of economic development. The word entrepreneur is derived from French verb entreprendre, which means to undertake. The Oxford English Dictionary defines an entrepreneur as the director or a manager who is successful in setting a business. Thus, he is an individual who bears the risk of operating a business and faces all uncertain conditions. He is the one who organizes, innovates, raises money, assembles resources, makes decisions and sets the organization. So now let's see the characteristics of an entrepreneur. The very first characteristics which we come across is intellectual capabilities. It refers to the mental ability of an entrepreneur. He should be an intelligent person and should possess the ability to think properly. If an entrepreneur is a creative thinker, he will be able to take prompt and proper decisions. This helps him to frame proper action plans. The next characteristics of an entrepreneur is future vision. Having a good foresight about future helps the entrepreneur to know about future market development and the external business environment. He can take proper and correct decisions according to the market conditions. This helps to take timely actions. The next characteristics of an entrepreneur is hard work. Hard work is a key to success. To be successful in business, an entrepreneur needs to work for long hours. To set up any new business and to establish it in the long run, an entrepreneur needs to work tediously for long hours. Putting more efforts always takes the business to great heights. Now, the next characteristics of an entrepreneur is technical knowledge. An entrepreneur should have sufficient technical knowledge about the products and his plan to produce. He should always be ready to adopt new changes in technology and upgrade himself with the latest knowledge to be at par with the competitive world. Next characteristics of an entrepreneur is communication skills. During the course of business, an entrepreneur communicates with various people like customers, suppliers, creditors, employees, etc. He should communicate effectively. He should also be able to express his ideas and strategies. The messages should be properly understood by both the sender and receiver. Now, the next characteristics of an entrepreneur which we come across is highly optimistic. An entrepreneur should always think positive in all the activities. He is always optimistic with the market situations, even in his failure times. This positive attitude helps the enterprise to run successfully and smoothly. Next point is risk bearing capacity. An entrepreneur is a risk bearer. He is the one who faces challenges and seeks new opportunities. This capacity of an entrepreneur is the keystone for success. The last characteristic which we come across is self confidence. An entrepreneur is a dreamer who toils hard to bring his dreams into reality. He is an innovator who brings his positive desires to achieve goals. Hard work, success, failures, competition all adds to develop strength and confidence in an entrepreneur. So students, with this we come to an end with today's session. Stay blessed. Thank you.